Students, in this video, I am going to explain the graph plotted by Lother between atomic volumes in cubic centimeters and atomic masses in atomic mass units. Lother a German, and Mendeleev, Russian, quite independently evolved identically and showed the connection between the periodicity of properties and atomic masses of elements. Lother plotted the physical properties such as atomic volume, melting point, and boiling point against atomic weights and obtained a periodically repeated patterns. He observed periodically repeated patterns. Lother calculated the atomic volumes of known elements as the ratio of atomic weight and density. Based on the formula, atomic weight equal to atomic volume into density. So he observed certain periodical properties. So let us discuss one by one. The first one is the elements having similar properties are in the similar positions. Elements are having similar properties are in the similar positions. Let us see. The first one is about alkali metals. So what are alkali metals? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. So these are all alkali metals. So lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium occupies the places at the peaks of the curves. So all the peaks of the curves are occupied by first A group elements, that is alkali metals. So periodical property he observed. So all the peaks are occupied by first A group elements only. And what about the second A group elements? What are second A group elements? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, and barium. So these are all second A group elements. So alkaline earth metals, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, are at the descending parts of the curve. So these are the descending parts. So this is the descending part, beryllium. So this one is the descending part, magnesium. So here it is descending part, calcium. So it is descending part, strontium, and here it is barium. So peaks are occupied by first A group elements and the descending curves. So descending curves are occupied by second A group elements. And then let us see about halogens. So where are halogens? So halogens are at ascending paths. So here you can see chlorine, bromine, iodine. So these are halogens: chlorine, bromine, iodine. So these are ascending curves. So ascending curves are occupied by halogens. Descending curves are occupied by second A group elements. Ascending curves are occupied by halogens. And let us see at the bottom part of the curves. So these bottom parts are wide, not at sharp. These are wide, broad. So most here we can observe most of the transition elements are lying in broad minimas of the curves. So these are all transition elements. So in this curve at this bottom and here also we can observe transition elements. So these are the minimas. So minimas are occupied by transition elements with broad range or broad minimas, not sharp like this. So here we can observe the broad minima curves. So most of the trash elements are at the broad minimas of the curves. And the next one is the atomic volumes of the elements changes periodically in the period. That means it initially decreases and then increases. Initially decreases and then increases. And with broad minimas, initially decreases and then increases. Initially decreases and then increases and decreases. Here there are broad minimas. So these are the properties observed in Lother graph. So we can observe the periodical properties at different places in Lother graph. Thank you.